After multiple price increases last year, Honda has announced the 2024 HR-V will start at $24,100 before a $1,295 destination fee. That's pretty affordable, but it's just the latest price hike for the crossover. Last June, it cost $23,650 and had a $1,245 destination fee. Prices then climbed to $23,800 in November, before Honda upped the destination fee to $1,295 in January. As a result, the total price tag has climbed from $24,895 to $25,395 in less than 6 months. So what does that extra $500 get you? Apparently nothing, as Honda didn't mention a single change other than the price increase. However, the company was quick to point out the HR-V is America's most popular SUV with first-time and Gen Z buyers. The price increase likely won't have much of an impact on its appeal, but the entry-level HR-V LX features LED lighting units and 17-inch alloy wheels. Buyers will also find a 7-inch driver information display and a 7-inch infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. They're joined by a 4-speaker audio system and an automatic climate control system. On the safety front, there's the Honda Sensing suite of driver assistance systems that includes adaptive cruise control, auto high-beam headlights, and forward collision warning. The crossover also has lane departure warning / lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. The HR-V Sport starts at $26,200 and features a unique grille, black exterior accents, rear privacy glass, and a chrome exhaust finisher. Bigger changes occur inside as the model has a leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated front seats, and a 6-speaker audio system. They're joined by illuminated vanity mirrors, a passive entry system with remote start, and a blind spot information system with a cross-traffic monitor. The HR-V EXL sits at the top of the range and begins at $28,200. It features a classier exterior with a moonroof as well as side mirrors sporting integrated turn signals. The cabin sees the most improvements as the model comes equipped with heated leather front seats featuring 8-way power adjustment on the driver's side. Buyers will also find a larger 9-inch infotainment system and an 8-speaker audio system with Sirius XM and HD radio. Rounding out the highlights are a wireless smartphone charger, a dual-zone automatic climate control system, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and ambient lighting. Regardless of which trim is selected, all HR-Vs are equipped with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that develops 158 horsepower, 118 kilowatts / 160 PS, and 138 lb-ft, 187 Nm, of torque. It's connected to a continuously variable transmission, which can be paired to an all-wheel drive system for an additional $1,500. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new publications.